I want you to begin reading it in Amplified Bible.
Okay.
This is her version, making it loud.
Hebrews 4:14. Inasmuch then as we believers,
Yeah.
he's talking to the believers.
The one new man ambassadors, the Israel of God. God's got an Israel.
Yeah.
And it's those that are born again.
So here's the other thing you must understand when reading the Bible. Okay, you have to understand who he's talking to. Who's talking and who is he talking to?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So inasmuch then as we believers
Have. Do we?
We have it.
We have it.
We have.
That says we got it.
We have it.
Yeah.
We have a great high priest who has already ascended and passed through the heavens, Jesus, the Son of God.
All right, now, don't go any further.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to be learning something here. Think about the high priests in the Old Testament, in the Old Covenant. None of them passed through any heaven.
No, they did not.
Keep that thought on hold.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Let us hold fast our confession of faith and cling tenaciously to our absolute trust in him as Savior.
Okay, now he passed through the heavens, yes?
Yes.
Where was he going? To the right hand of the Father.
Oh, I was going to say Miami, but okay.
He was going to Miami? No. He passed through the heavens, and this is a high priest now going to sit at God's right hand.
That's where he's going.
There has been no high priest under the old covenant to do that.
No.
Just keep that thought on hold. Verse 13.
For we do not have a high priest who is unable to sympathize and understand our weaknesses and temptations, but one who has been tempted, knowing exactly how it feels to be human in every respect as we are, yet without committing any sin.
Oh, that's big. What we have here is a God that relates to us in every way. Everything we go through in life, every sorrow, every difficulty, every challenge, our high priest went through it and more.
Mm-hmm.